Okay, so let me see if I can make a video here. So my car display doesn't show the day of the week, and I wanted it to show the day of the week. So what I did was, when it connects to my phone, it shows the name of my phone. So I have an app on here for macros that lets you change things, do things on your phone. So it's called Macro Droid. Sorry for the and it runs macros to do things on your phone automatically. So I wrote a macro called Day of the Week phone name. So the trigger is the time trigger every day at a minute after midnight, and it changes the device name to the day of the week, whatever the day of the week is, and whatever text I want to do after it. And I just put A15, which is the model of the phone. And so every night at midnight, it changes the name of my phone to the day of the week and A15. So then when I start my truck, it says connecting a phone. Boom. It shows the name of my phone, which has been renamed from the macro. Excuse me. And so every day, the day of the week shows up on my screen on my truck, basically, because it shows the time, temperature, but it doesn't show the day, so I wanted to show the day. So there it is. Yeah, I am the man. So, pretty sweet. Little automation.